Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium with acrylic paint. Acrylic mediums are fantastic additives that can dramatically alter your paint's properties. They allow you to control everything from the paint's thickness and flow to its drying time and finish. Understanding these versatile products is key to unlocking new creative possibilities in your artwork. Let's explore some common types. Gel mediums, for instance, are excellent for adding significant body and texture, making your paint feel almost sculptural. Flow improvers, on the other hand, make your paint more fluid without sacrificing its rich color. Glazing mediums create transparent layers, while retarders give you more working time for blending. For an easy method, start by adding a small amount of medium to your paint, perhaps a ratio of 1 part medium to 4 parts paint. Mix it thoroughly on your palette. Observe how the paint's consistency changes and add more medium incrementally if needed. Always test your new mixture on a scrap piece of paper or canvas before applying it to your main artwork. To achieve the best results, always consult the instructions on your specific medium's label, as formulations can vary. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ratios. This is how you'll discover unique textures and finishes. Remember to clean your brushes and tools immediately after use, and store your mediums and paints properly for longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.